Okay, the best category in the Middle East is not necessarily the trendiest one. What matters is where demand is strong, where online buying behavior already exists, and where there is room for you as a new seller to come in and grow. A 2025 EZ Dubai report based on Euromonitor data estimates UAE to reach 28 billion in sales in 2023 when it comes to e-commerce, and with an estimation to reach 50 billion by 2029. And Saudi Arabia holds 30% of the region's e-commerce market, as well as UAE holds around 26%. So if you're asking, what should I sell on Amazon in the Middle East in 2026/2027? Don't just focus on what is popular. Focus on where demand actually is, what types of products customers feel comfortable with buying online, and ask yourself, where is there still room for you to build an offer that stands out? Let's get to work. Because the biggest mistake you can make as a business owner is chasing what is trending rather than creating real structural demand. Let's talk about the best categories that you can sell on Amazon this year. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal from the Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider, and we've been supporting sellers on Amazon in the Middle East since 2019. We'd be happy to help and support you. Do make sure that you reach out to me and the team on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. You'll find all of the links in the description box of this video. If you are thinking of launching your Amazon store, or if you are already a seller struggling, we have the programs to help and support you. Go to our website only after you finish watching this video. Now, let's get started with category number 1, electronics. According to Amazon Ads, electronics is one of the strongest categories in both the UAE and Saudi Arabia. And not only is there demand right now, but the category is growing exponentially. In fact, back in 2023, consumer electronic spending reached $1.9 billion in the UAE alone. Electronics is the country's biggest vertical for both UAE and Saudi Arabia. Now, if you are a new seller, I would certainly not rush into this category, as it is very complicated, both from a category point of view and from a product point of view. I would recommend that you look at things like electronic accessories as an example, maybe even add-ons and practical replacement parts, as they're a little bit easier. Category number 2, beauty and personal care. This is certainly a no-brainer, particularly if you live in the UAE and Saudi Arabia. You already know how strong of a demand these categories, or this category, beauty and personal care, actually has. Now, according to Amazon Ads, beauty and personal care is a leading category specifically in Saudi Arabia. And a separate market intelligence report has showed that in Saudi Arabia, this category is estimated to reach $8 billion in 2026 in terms of spending. Again, this is a tricky category for beginners, so please make sure that you understand all of the details required for you to sell in this category. It is also tricky as it is very much brand-led and brand-dominant. However, the reason why this is also such an interesting category is not just demand, but also because of the shopping behavior. You get a lot of repeat purchases in this category. You get a lot of new clients looking for different products and new solutions to problems that they might have. Strong gifting, as well as trend-led behaviors, and overall very strong shopping or online shopping habits, specifically for the target audience that is very much used to buying these types of products online. Category number 3, and I know this is one of your guys' favorite category, grocery and consumables. Sometimes this is an overlooked category on Amazon, as it doesn't feel as glamorous as electronics and beauty products. But it is one of the strongest categories, and it is very strong in terms of long-term play. According to EZ Report, this vertical is one of the strongest. Food and drinks is one of the strongest currently in the UAE, and is a very fast-growing vertical across the MENA region. Again, this is not an easy category for sellers to get into, not only because of the type of product that you are intending to sell, but also because there are many requirements for you to be able to sell these products on Amazon. But the logic here is simple. Repeat products create repeat orders, and who doesn't want repeat orders? Category number 4, home. Finally, an easy category for you to get into without any additional requirements to sell this category on Amazon, or even sometimes to import the products into the country where you intend to sell it. But let's talk about home as a category. According to Amazon Ads, the UAE has a very big demand for anything under the home category, but not necessarily the home category that we know and love on Amazon, but the home vertical. Home appliances, for example, has a very rising demand, as well as home laundry solutions, as well as storage solutions. While Saudi Arabia shoppers still show increasing interest in this category as well. For obvious reasons, for a lot of different reasons, it doesn't matter, this category has demand. Now, if you're investing in this category, remember the beauty of the home category and the reason why it succeeds is because of 3 main points. Number 1, the products are easy to understand. Number 2, the products are easy to demonstrate visually. Remember, on Amazon, you're selling a product via images, or maybe sometimes if you're brand registered, you can also add a video. But through images, these types of products should be easy to explain. And these products are also tied to everyday usage. Category number 5, this might be a little bit controversial. Fashion. Yes, we all love to buy new clothing and new products online, and Amazon Ads actually says fashion is one of the fastest growing verticals as well, for both Saudi Arabia primarily as well as the UAE. And this vertical actually reached in 2023 almost $2.5 billion in sales. That's in the UAE alone. Yes, demand is very big, but this category also comes with a precaution, specifically if you are a beginner, as fashion in general requires a lot of SKUs because you've got sizing, you've got colors, and you have to have different types of SKUs available. Additionally, in this category, we do experience very heavy and high return rates, as well as very strong competition, which is primarily based on pricing. So if you are interested to come into this category, which I would highly encourage you to do, think smartly. Think about things that you can sell that have no size, maybe a one size fits all, maybe certain add-ons to the big fashion products, smaller accessories, all in all, products that have low risk in terms of fit and in terms of size. Now, here's the key question. Out of all of the categories that we talked about today, which would be the ideal category if this is your first ever product that you sell online? And the answer is definitely, I would recommend and choose home. Yes, it is somewhat competitive as it is a simple category for anyone to get started in, but it is much less riskier than other categories that have compliance elements as well as tricky products. And the lesson from this video is, don't choose a product or a category simply because it's going viral. Viral is great, but it might sometimes disappear. So choose a product and a category that has proven demand. Customer behavior is strong. What does that mean? It means customers are used to buying these products online. As an example, it's not easy for customers to purchase new perfumes online. How can you smell a perfume online? You are willing to buy a perfume that you buy all the time online, but discovering a new scent online is quite difficult. So you want to make sure that whatever product you sell is something that customers feel very comfortable and confident in purchasing online. And finally, that there's still a clear angle for you to enter into that category while displaying the unique selling points. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how you build a smart business on Amazon in the Middle East. Let me know your thoughts by leaving a comment in the comments section below. Which one is your favorite category, or which one would be the category that you would choose to start selling in on Amazon? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.